National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, northern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Berlin to near Montello to near Wisconsin Dells, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, Emergency Management reported tree damage across northwest Marquette County. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Ripon, Berlin, Wisconsin Dells, Partyville, Randolph, Montello, Markesan, Westfield, Princeton, Rosendale, Green Lake, Brandon, Lawrence, Pequawkee, Alto, Manchester, Macon, Oxford, and Endeavor. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Puckaway Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.